Aloha everyone! It's another beautiful day on the big island of Hawaii. I have a little bit of time before my tour begins. This video is being recorded on April 8th, 2023. We're on Hilina Pali Road. We just passed the campground. It's a 9-mile, one-lane road from Chain of Craters Road. There's a really cool overlook at the end of the road. It's a trailhead of a couple different trails. You can get to Halape from up here, which I think is about an 8-mile hike down to the ocean. I don't know how old this lava is that we're driving through. Looks to be pretty old. That's Mauna Loa straight ahead, the world's largest active volcano. Last erupted November 27th, 2022. I haven't been down here for a while. That's why I decided to head down here. It is currently 6:45 in the morning. 57 degrees out there. Chilly. I was quite pleased to see this road open. It was closed for a while due to super duper dry conditions. There was actually a wildfire up here a few months ago. I saw smoke from the bottom of Chain of Craters Road and thought it was an eruption. So this is just yet another area of the park to discover and explore if anyone has extra time on your hands. By the way, after the 2018 eruption, they repaved this entire 9-mile road. A lot of it was due to damage from the earthquakes. Passed a cat sitting in the middle of the road a couple miles back. Can you see the moon? Beautiful. There's also a pit toilet up here at the end of the road. That's kind of nice. There's also an avocado tree up here. Maybe we'll check that out. Last time I was there were pigs in the vicinity of the avocado tree. Okay, I made it to the overlook. The stupid phone overheated. So this is the parking area. There's a little picnic area up there. Back there's the pit toilet. And that's the big avocado tree back here. I don't hear any pigs. Oh! Almost stepped in a pile of pig poo. Oink oink! Ooh, look at that view. Ooh. There are a bunch of bees on the avocado tree. Wow. Lots of guava here. Look at all this guava. That is an avocado tree right there, that big one. Nice. Lots of guava. By the way, you are allowed to eat wild guava in the park. According to their website, I don't see any pigs. Oh, I hear something. Pig! Backcountry trails. And we are right there. Where's Jalapé? Jalapé is right here. This is Pua Point. As you're driving down Chain of Craters Road and you look that way, that is a point out there with, well, you can clearly see it from the road. So that's pretty cool. It's 6.5 miles from another parking area near the bottom of Chain of Craters Road. Cool. Let's go explore a little bit. Oh, baby koa tree. Neato. You can tell because it has two types of leaves when it's a baby. Really don't feel like getting wet. It's not too bad. Quiet here. Another guava tree. Wow, look at that view. Oh, wow. One of these days, I want to get down there. Wow. I think I can hear that. Oh. Honolulu's down there somewhere. Oh, cool. It's raining over there. Kudos to the trail crew. Man, they do a great job. Or I should say a big mahalo to the trail crew. I've reached a sketchy part of the trail. That's a drop. But I kind of want to make it down there, so we'll see. I don't think I've come this far before. Whew. Oh my. Oh, that's not too bad. This is awesome. So cool. Yeah, my goal is to, piece of cake, is to make it to that plateau over there. Or the edge of the plateau, or whatever you call it. Oh, lantana. Look at that. Pretty. What awaits us at the edge, I wonder? I had to come down all that. Not bad. Just hope it doesn't start raining. I should be okay. Thank goodness there's no thorns along here. It's a little breezy. I think I'm almost there. It looks can be deceiving from up there, I guess. Maybe I did come down here once, years ago. Trying to cover up the microphone. Oh. Okay, well. This is it. Very cool. This is as far as I'm going. One day I'll make it down there. And since it's really windy, I'm going to go ahead and close. So thanks for coming along this adventure. Hope you enjoyed it. Aloha. Okay, well, I couldn't help it. I stopped at that tree up there and decided to keep coming down here. Wow. Amazing. Pretty amazing. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Got a nice windbreak here. Went from cold to hot almost instantly. Oh, man. Okay, this is where I gotta go back for sure. Nice place to end with the calm, and I can actually hear that. Don't know if you guys can or not. Thanks once again, and thanks for all the members for your monthly support. I do appreciate it. Remember, I am a tour guide certified in Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. If anyone is interested in exploring, I would love to show you around. Be sure to check out my website, apahawaiitours.com. Aloha.